Let me check it. Oh yes, I can see the stain. If you still have the receipt and also the tag, we can do exchange process for you.
Yeah, the tag is still here and I got the receipt too.
Alright, thank you ma'am. I will ask my friend to check if we have the same item in stock.
Okay.
Hi Cornelia, can you check if we have the same item in size M?
Okay, I will check it, Alfie. We still have it, Alfie. Here's the new one.
Alright. There you go ma'am. I hope everything is okay.
Thank you, you were really helpful.
Alright. By the way, are you already become a Gyomi member?
Not yet. What is it for?
If you become a Gyomi member, you will get special discount and also the points every time you shop with us.
So nice. How do I sign up?
You can just fill it in the link with your name and your phone number.
So, your points can be used as discounts next time we shop.
Okay, I'll join.